Hello and welcome to HD Calcs. I'm Rick, and in this video we're going to have a look at how we can use factorials on the Casio FC-200V Financial Consultant calculator. To do this, we'll use the catalog key that looks like this, located here. As we know, a factorial is the value of a number and all whole integers below it multiplied together. So 3 factorial is the same as 3 times 2 times 1, which should equal 6. But when we look at our keypad here, we don't see a factorial key. So if we want to solve 3 factorial on this calculator, what we have to do is first put our 3 on the screen, and then go to the catalog menu, and we see the first option is the exclamation mark or factorial symbol. So we select that. We see 3 factorial, hit exe, equals 6. Another example, if we want to find 5 factorial, again, we put 5 on our screen, go to the catalog menu, and select the factorial, hit exe, and we get the result of 5 factorial equals 120. But what happens if we want to find the factorial of a very large number? For example, the factorial of 100. If we try to do that, we get this error. That's because the factorial of 100 is a number just too big for this calculator to display. The largest factorial this calculator can display is factorial 69, which we see gives us this. But if we try to find the factorial of 70, we get that error again. So if you're getting this error when trying to find a factorial, that might be the problem you're running into. Thanks for watching, everybody. I really hope this has been helpful. If it has, you can help me out by hitting that like button and subscribe for more calculator tips in the future. And, as always, good luck on those tests out there, everybody. You've got this.